Hello everyone, my name is Anu. So I'm gonna try a recipe made by Chef Phoebe. It's called a quick and easy recipe to create a free storyboard. And the ingredients I would need will be my desktop, internet, storyboard ideas for ID project. Okay, so I probably will come up with an ID project relevant to the season, which is COVID-19, something meaningful. So the first is to open my internet browser. Here it is, Chrome, and then I'll go to this link here. So I'm going to copy this and paste in my browser. So the next step says click create a storyboard right below. This is it, created. I have this instruction and the storyboard side by side just to find it easy to follow through. So choose your layout using the blue layout button on the bottom left hand side of the screen. Here is it. Okay, I think I want this, looks traditional and basic. I'm gonna title it social distancing. Okay, and then the next would be, you could play around with the colors if you're interested, the font type and all of that, but I'm just gonna go next to add scene background. So I see there are options, quite a number of options to work with: background, characters, text, shapes. I would limit mine to background, characters and text. Yeah, we'll see how that works. So let's scroll to see what I would prefer. Okay, prefer this house. Yeah, that's okay. I'm okay with, let's see, purple color. Okay, that's good. Now let's go for a character. I want an adult. You have so many options, and I think that's something I like about this particular app. So many options of characters. I would work with her, the lady in the job. I would work with her. So I have the option to edit the pose, and I'm going to do that. I want her to look like she's actually holding on to something. I might have to maximize this just so we see it clearly. I want her to look like she's holding something. Okay, so rather than her holding something, probably she should look like she's hugging. I want her to be in a hugging position. Let's see how that works. Okay, facial expression, good. Joyful, I love joyful. And then let's see the leg, is it okay? We just keep it right the way it is. More view. Okay, we update pose. So I'm okay with that. Coming back to this, I'm going to adjust her location. Still right up here. And I want her to have like an animal. Where can I even find animal? So I found animals under more. I want her to have like a cat. I think sure looks like a cat. Oh no, I want the white cat. She's got a cat. Probably it's gonna be, do I like that color? Okay, this looks better. I guess I'm probably playing with so many colors here. Who cares? And then we have the text tables where you could have your words inside. And the fun thing is you could actually have action words, action kind of text tables. So, but we'll keep it conservative to speech. I will do this. So I'm going to adjust the position so that it really shows she's talking and not the words coming out of her. So here we have it. We have a title. Coming back to this, we have a scene background. I'm gonna have to stretch this back just so I have my information side by side, that's all. So we have a layout. This is it. We have added scene background. Here's a scene background. Okay, the character, here is Almira. That's actually the name of the character. The text, this is my text here, and I decided to use this shape for the text tables. So you can move any object on your storyboard by clicking the item and dragging, which is what I did. I had to click together here and the cat. You can resize. I did that already. You can change the color of the objects. So we changed the color of this cat, right? It was white. I changed it to brown. And then you can add or delete or copy or move your cells as needed. Yes. Once you're done, click save the button. Okay, just to play one more time. Hopefully I don't take too much time in this video. Let me have okay, we'll just keep it at this. Okay, I'm gonna do one more cell, just so I'm sure I got it well without having to go through this. Now that I have an idea of, at least I have an idea of number 1 to 9, so I would maximize for a while. I'll make a cell on, let's do something more fun. Okay, I'm going to pick a scene for this, a place that looks like a house. I'll pick a character. Probably I'm going to pick on a kid. Let's pick on her. So you could actually change some of the features. Is you could change the hair of the character, you could change her hair, you could change her skin. I want her a little bit tanned. I could edit her pose. I want her in an action kind of pose on your waist. Okay, let's have the other hand. Should it be the right hand? Yeah, the right hand actually, and then this on the waist. Yep. She needs to have some facial expression, looking scary. Yep, I like the silly look. I want a side view. Update. Good. Yeah, good. Do I want her taller? She's a kid, not too tall. Then I need something that looks like banner. Yeah, I need a banner. No, not a banner. Sign, that's what I was looking for. Just right here at the entrance of the house. Can you move backward? Good. I think I'm good with this. Let's give her some action blurb. Let's have fun with this. This is too transparent. I hope this video is not too long, but I'm having fun trying this out. Okay, so I'm going to reduce this size because I don't want it conflicting or touching each other. Yeah. it's sitting on this. Okay. So we ended up creating this two-story social distancing house of grammar horrors, just to have something fun. The grammatical errors are deliberate, just like the title suggests. So we've worked with 2 cells, and let me see if it allows me to actually delete the last cell here, since I don't need it. Okay, I don't have a premium account. I'll just leave it then. Okay, so now that we're done, I'm going to minimize this and then see what I need to do from step 10. It says once you're done, click the save button at the bottom of the screen. This is the save button here. I click on save. It's asking me for a title. So what's the title going to be? It's going to be just kitchen tryouts. Let me be consistent with my description for video, for response video. So I have that. Then the next one says click save storyboard. Okay. Okay. And what's the next? You now have option to print, download, or embed your completed storyboard. So we're done. Here is what I cooked with free storyboard creator, and I enjoyed it. It's fun. So this is nice. I'm actually not going to print, but I could download it. Hopefully I could have it in a PDF format. Thanks. You could try this too, okay, at your own leisure time. I enjoyed it. Let's see. PDF. Yes, PDF. It is.